The multicolored houses and their rooftops are the first thing people notice when they come to Torshavn. They don't seem to have any sense of style whatsoever in the Faroes, or do they? It's hard to say why there are so many different colors. Perhaps part of the reason is that in the Faroes, people want to own the house they live in and decide what to do with it. People tend to think very individually when it comes to housing. There's no property tax in the Faroe Islands. They don't want to hear about it. If something is yours, you do with it as you like. You decide its shape and color. That's why there are houses of all colors: blue, yellow, red, black, white, brown, and even pink. Torshavn, the capital, is a place of color and excitement during the day. At night, you have peace and harmony. Do you see? No flashing lights. Someone once called Torshavn the white jewel of the North Atlantic night.